Perfectly popped popcorn. Perfect. I am making popcorn balls. This is going to be popcorn balls. I'm making homemade popcorn balls. This is my process. Okay. To be continued. Perfectly pop my popcorn in a clean, dry bowl. Place popcorn into the bowl. Now this is no microwave popcorn. I don't own a microwave. I don't even have a microwave. This is homemade from the stove. Stove top homemade popcorn, okay? By Orville Rittenberger. Okay, we'll put this in the clean bowl, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to make my popcorn sauce for my balls. Popcorn balls. Okay, so now I am going to make my syrup, and I'm making my syrup from scratch. I am not using Karo syrup, high fructose corn syrup, none of that. This is all natural. So I'm using sugar. This is sugar. Put my sugar in here. Yes. This is old school, and I'm not measuring. But if you would like, you can measure, but I'm not measuring. So I got my water and sugar in here. All right, making syrup from scratch. This is from scratch. Okay, put a little bit more sugar. Let my sugar. All right. If I need more, there it is. Okay. Sugar and water. I don't measure, so I eyeball. So now I'm going to add cream of tartar. And I am making homemade syrup. I added cream of tartar. I don't measure or eyeball everything. And then I added already Himalayan, some salt. Okay. And let's go stay and stir. So I have it at a high boil. And the thicker you want, the hotter you want it to boil. The lighter, the less heat. I don't have a thermometer, so I'm just eyeballing everything. But right now it's boiling. I'll be back. You see the color? It's turning. So right now I'm going to let it sit for a minute. And this is my corn syrup. My syrup all finished. Now I am going to add butter in here. I'm going to add butter and form my popcorn balls. And once again, this is water, sugar, and cream of tartar. Okay. The leftover, I'm going to put in a mason jar. Then I'll have my own syrup. I have my own syrup. And I don't have to go to the store and buy no syrup. Because a lot of the stores are sold out of certain syrups. All right. You can make your own syrup. Okay, I turned the heat back up. I added my butter in here. Okay, it's cool. My sauce with my butter. I'm going to pour over my popcorn and form my balls now. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. This is from scratch. My sauce is poured over my syrup from scratch that I made. Now I'm going to make sure they're all sticky and wet. I'm going to make my popcorn balls now. All righty. Okay. My popcorn balls from scratch. Made from scratch. Syrup made from scratch. Yes. No Sister Carol. Karo syrup. All right. My popcorn balls by request. They on their way to Fresno, California.